Hello everyone, welcome back to We Can Cook. Today we will be showing you guys how to make an easy and delicious cinnamon roll recipe. To begin, add 2 1/4 teaspoons of dry yeast to 3/4 cup of warm milk. Your milk should be at approximately 110 degrees Fahrenheit. To that, add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Stir and let the yeast bloom for about 10 minutes. Add your yeast mixture to a stand mixer. And to that, add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk at room temperature. Add 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter and combine using the dough hook. To that, add 3 cups of flour and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix with a wooden spoon until a dough begins to form. Then place the bowl back under the stand mixer and mix for 3 minutes. Add some olive oil into a large bowl and place your dough in it. Make sure to coat the dough with the olive oil. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and a warm towel. Allow the dough to rise for an hour to an hour and a half. You want the dough to double in size. To a small bowl, add 2/3 cup of dark brown sugar. Light brown sugar also works. To that, add 1 1/2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon and mix using a spatula. The dough has rested, and as you can see, it has doubled in size. Place the dough on a well-floured surface and press the dough out, making a 14 by 9 inch rectangle. Now take some softened butter and spread evenly across the surface. Now add your brown sugar and cinnamon mixture and spread evenly, leaving a 1/4 inch border. Now tightly roll the dough, starting at the 9-inch side, and place the seam side down. Mark off where you want to cut the log of dough, and you should get about 8 cinnamon rolls from this recipe. Cut the dough using a sharp knife. Place the cinnamon rolls in a lined 9 by 5 inch baking pan. Cover the baking pan with plastic wrap and a warm towel and let the cinnamon rolls rest for an additional 30 to 45 minutes. After the cinnamon rolls have rested, bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Now we're making the glaze. In a separate bowl, add 3 tablespoons of milk to 1 cup of powdered sugar. To that, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and whisk to form a smooth glaze. Allow the rolls to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes before adding the glaze. Glaze the cinnamon rolls generously. We hope you enjoyed the cinnamon roll recipe and let us know in the comments if you tried it out. See you next time!